Now I'm going to show you how to make a blue margarita. First, you're going to take your shaker and fill it halfway up with ice. Next, you're going to add your liquors. In this drink, we're going to be using tequila, which is the traditional alcohol for a margarita. We're going to use about 1 ounce of tequila. And then we're going to be using about ½ ounce of blue Curacao, which is obviously where the drink's blue color and name comes from. Next, we're going to add the sour mix. You can do about a little bit over 1 ounce of sour mix. And finally, just a dash of lime juice. And you're going to shake. And you're going to grab your glass. You're going to take your lime, which is going to be your garnish later, and you're just going to go right around the rim. So that way we can salt it. And if you have any questions about that, you can always go back to the episode we did on purple margaritas, where we talked about how to rim a glass. And fill. And then we are going to add our lime and serve, and that is how you make a blue margarita.